Now let's find common elements in the three given lists. Okay, so let us take three lists here. Consider list A containing elements like 1, 3, 5, 6. Okay, and the list B containing elements as 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and list C containing elements as 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now the common element among all these three lists is element 5, isn't it? So I'll write a function in order to compute a common element here. Find common is the name of the function, and I'm passing all these list names like a comma b comma c to this function. So let us define this function, which is find common function, and take the list names as abc itself. Okay, now the idea is to iterate through one particular list and check the same element is available in list B and list C. Okay, for example, if you're iterating through list A, so consider each and every element in list A and check whether this element is available in list B and list C also. Then only you consider the element, right? Okay, so I'll take element in list A. Okay, if the same element is available in list B, also if same element is available in list C, then you can print that particular element. Okay, like this. So let's run. So the element 5 and also element 6. Okay, you can see 5, 6 are both available in list A and list B and list C. There are two elements which are common in all the lists. So those are 5 and 6. That is how we are displaying. Okay, so if you want, you can also write like this: element in B and element in C. Okay, then you can start printing this particular element. Okay, so let's run this. Then also you'll get 5 and 6 as output. Okay, like this.